Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wondered how to quickly subtract values in Google Sheets, whether it's for a single cell or an entire column, this video is for you. By the end, you'll be confidently subtracting numbers like a pro, saving yourself loads of time and making your spreadsheets much more useful. Let's jump right in and see just how simple and powerful subtraction can be in Google Sheets. Suppose you're managing inventory for your small business or just tracking some numbers at home. You've got a list of items, their starting stock, and how many have been sold. Now we need to know how many of each item remain. This is where subtraction does all the work for us. Take a look at this sample data on my screen. We've got columns for items starting stock sold and a blank space for remaining stock. This is our target. We need a quick way to fill in that remaining stock column without having to do the math ourselves for every single row. Let's start with the first item on the list, laptops. To find out how many are left, we simply need to subtract how many were sold from the starting stock. Click into the blank cell next to laptops under the remaining stock column. Here you'll type a formula. In Google Sheets, formulas always start with an equals sign, so type in equals, then click on the cell that shows the starting stock. Let's say that's B2. Next, type a minus sign and then click the cell for sold, which might be C2. Your formula will look like this, equals B2C2. Once you're done, press enter. At this point, Google Sheets will show you the remaining stock for laptops. Boom, the math done instantly, but don't stop there. You don't need to retype this formula for every single row. Here's a little shortcut. Hover your mouse over the bottom right corner of the cell where you just entered the formula. A little blue square called the fill handle will appear. When your cursor changes into a small crosshair, click and drag this fill handle down through the other rows under remaining stock. As you drag, Google Sheets automatically adjusts the formula for each row. Instead of subtracting the numbers for laptops over and over, it now calculates the difference for each item, keyboards, monitors, mice, and headsets all effortlessly. This little magic trick saves you from manual entry and helps eliminate mistakes. Don't worry if you accidentally drag too far or miss a cell, you can always undo and try again. Also, take a moment to double-check your results. If you see any negative numbers, it could mean you accidentally entered the sold number higher than the starting stock, which is a great cue to check your data for possible mistakes. And that's really all there is to it. Whether you're subtracting a single pair of cells or filling an entire column of answers with just a quick drag, Google Sheets makes subtraction easy, accurate, and fast. This same technique works for all kinds of calculations, so feel free to apply it in your own spreadsheets no matter the context. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or if you want tips on anything else in Google Sheets or spreadsheets in general, just drop a comment below. I read every single one. And of course, make sure you subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials to make your digital life a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching and happy subtracting.